Hey, double glazing companies, how can Google Maps bring you more customers to your double glazing company on a consistent basis? Now, did you know that more than 80% of customers turn to online searches to find local services before making a decision? Google Maps, or as it's now called Google Business Profile, has become the go-to resource for customers looking for businesses in their local area. So if your double glazing company isn't fully optimized for Google Maps, you could be leaving money and customers on the table. Now, what do I mean by optimizing Google Maps? Optimizing Google Maps profile means ensuring your business is complete, it's accurate, and it's engaging. So this includes adding up-to-date contact information, uploading high-quality photos of your work, writing clear business descriptions, using relevant keywords, and actively managing and carrying out other optimization tasks on a regular basis to build trust and credibility. It's all about making your business stand out, rank higher in local searches, and attract more customers. So, if you're still relying on outdated methods like flyers, word of mouth, or relying on lead generation companies, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Now, the reality is that your potential customers are searching for services like yours right now. But here's the problem. They're not finding you. Instead, they're seeing your competitors who've already taken the time to optimize their Google Maps and make Google Maps work for them. That's where Google Maps can make all the difference to your double glazing business. Because with the right strategy, it's not just a map, it's a customer acquisition machine. Imagine being the first company when they search for double glazing near me or window installation in your area. Not only will your business get noticed, but it will drive more traffic and turn casual searches into local paying customers. Now, Google Maps will help you in the following ways. It will boost your visibility by appearing when potential customers are actively searching for double glazing businesses, ensuring your businesses reaches the right audience at the right time. It will also build instant trust by maintaining its strong business profile, which has glowing reviews, high ratings, and established with great credibility, making customers choose you over your competitors. It would also drive more phone calls and visits simply by customer engagement, whether they want to call or get directions, or they want to visit your website, or they actually want to just leave a comment or ask a question online. Not only that, but with Google Maps, you stay ahead of your competition by dominating local search results and become the first business customers see when they are looking for your services. So here's what optimizing Google Maps could look like. John, for example, he depending on traditional methods like leaflets and word of mouth recommendations, and they did work to some degree, but they were inconsistent and they were unpredictable. Then when our company optimized their Google Maps profile with a clear business description, updated their contact details, created a review strategy, optimization strategies, the results were as follows. His phone calls started ringing non-stop. The calendar was constantly filled up. Now he's booked out for weeks, if not months in advance, all because he tapped into the power of Google Maps. So the question is, are you ready to achieve the same results? If you're serious about growing your double glazing business, I've created a simple step-by-step process to help you take full advantage of Google Maps. From optimizing your profile, implementing proven strategies that get results, I'll show you every step of the way. What you need to do is you need to click the button below and get started today. Don't let your competitors scoop up all your customers in your local area. Take charge of your visibility build reputation in your local area, and grow your business with the power of Google Maps. So what you need to do, you need to act now. Your competitors aren't waiting, and neither should you. So click the button below and let's show you how we can help you get more leads, more phone calls, and customers for double glazing businesses in your area fast. Take care and look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye bye for now.